guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Eagle Eye FX. Eagle Eye FX is a signal provider, but we do it for free. And also we are going to be sharing some educational content that are going to help you in your trading journey. Remember guys, we have a free Telegram channel. You can find the link on the description below. If you want to join, you can join this for free, whereby we send some profitable signals there, and it's for free. So today guys, I want to show you a very powerful and winning strategy that I've been using, and it's really profitable, and I felt I should share it because it's a setup that I really like. So today we are looking at GBP AUD, that is British pound versus Australian dollar, and I am on the weekly time frame. So when I look at the market, I can see that the market is on an upward trend. You see that the market is on an upward trend, so definitely I am looking for buying opportunities, because you can see that when the market touched here, it went up, came back up, came back here again, went up all the way here, and it has come back, is going up, and I think it's coming to test back this zone, because I can see a very strong rejection here. So I believe it's coming to test this zone or this trend line, then before it shoots up. So let's go to the daily time frame. So generally on the weekly time frame, we come here to check the direction of the market, to know which the direction of the market is going, and you can see that the market is on an upward trend. So when you go to the daily time frame, normally I like using daily time frame, higher time frame, for that is what that works for me. So I know that some people like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, but we like using higher time frame to win. So you can see that this market is it's coming, it's just here. You can see it forms some sort of double top, and that's why you see the market is going down. So I wouldn't enter my buy now here. I'll wait for it to come at least somewhere around down here, because we've seen that this is a very sensitive area. Every time the market touches this part, it springs up or it goes up. So I'll wait for it to come back here before I buy, or I go long. So what we do is that we draw a trend line here, and so that we wait for it, and you can see there's a trend line. And one of the things you observe is that every time the market touched here, it was pushed down, came again, pushed down, came again, pushed down, came again. So this market, I believe it's going to come down this way. Let me show you. I believe it's going to behave this way before it can shoot up. So I know some people who every time the market touches here they sell, but you see the risky with that is that it can touch here, deceive you, is going down, and then you just break. So I'm not saying that you can't sell here, you can sell if you want, but I normally wait for some break of this trend line, and then some retest before I can buy. And we are on daily time frame, so let's see how this market is going to behave. So you can see it's going down. Can you see? So I'll just be waiting for it. I'll not enter my buy immediately. I'll wait for it to break this line, because it can easily do this and then continue going down. So for me to buy or to go long, I'll wait for it to break and do some retest before I can go long. So we do nothing. That's why guys, patience is key. You must really be patient. If you want to win, you must really be patient. If you're not patient, you're going to be stopped up every time. So you can see it has come back to that line. Right, it has broken. Now There's some people who immediately it breaks, they buy, but I normally wait to see some sort of confirmation before I can buy. So let's see how it behaves. It goes, right? See, it comes back again. Another thing is, if you enter buy too early, see, something like this will easily stop you out. Maybe you put your stop loss somewhere around here, you see that you'll be stopped out. So I wait for it to see, how it's gonna behave. So awesome. All right, so we can draw some zone here. See some zone here. Now let's change the color. You can use any color you want. So I like blue. Yeah, so you can see that this part acted as a resistance, then it has been broken, and now it's acting as a support. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for something like this. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and I'll buy. All right, great. So let's see. Now another thing, you see, if you enter too early, you can easily be stopped out. So you have to be patient and wait for it. So let's go and see. Right, okay, you can enter now. You can enter now here. Then I'll be targeting somewhere around here. My target will be somewhere around there, because one thing I've observed is that when the market reached here, it was pushed all the way to the down. So you can enter your buy here. You can put your buy here, right? Then you see, don't put your stop loss too far, because it's going to eat up into your profit. So I'll put my stop loss just below the zone, there. And then I'll target, let's see how many, what is the RR here? That is 1:4.8, almost 1:5. So you enter your buy there. Okay, then let's see how it plays out if we are stopped out. So make sure you don't put a very tight stop loss, so that you're not stopped out. And maybe in the next video I'm going to show you something that I use to determine where to put my stop loss. So I'll put my stop loss down there, and let's see how it plays out. Right, okay, it almost, if you can see it, we're almost stopped out. See, if you put it too tight, you'll easily be stopped out. So fantastic. So you can see that you can see something here. So you could have, when we entered here, but you could have waited, and then when you see this long wick here and a very strong, this wick here, you can see that the market is being pushed up by the buyers, and then you see after that we see a very strong buy candle. So let's see how it plays out. So this is a 1:3.7. So it comes back, see, broken. It's coming back to test this zone again before it can gain more momentum to go up. So let's see how it goes. Right, so you can scale in here if you want. If you are into scaling in, you can scale in here and enter another buy and put a stop loss down there, and also target 1:2. Right, okay, you can enter. If you don't want, you can just remain with this one. It's okay, don't be too greedy. Also, don't be too greedy, but you can if you want. Then let's see how this market plays out. Goes up and up and up and up, comes down again. Right, so you see another rejection here, another push to the upward. So you can still scale in if you want. But don't be greedy. I'm just showing you some opportunities, but that's not how we do it. So you can scale in if you want, then target another 1:2 RR. And let's see how it plays out. So up, 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 right, then you see, comes back again the third time. Still we've not been stopped out, so we are still safe. So you can still again scale in here, right? Put your stop loss there. Always remember to use good money management. So if you're into scaling in, you can scale in and target another 1:2. Then let's see how it goes. Then it goes, comes back again. You can still enter again, enter another buy there, put your stop loss there, then target up there, right? 1:2. So how does it go? Let's see. Then now the market flies up, you see. So still the market is really obeying this zone. So if you want, you can buy another one. So there are so many opportunities here. There are so many opportunities on GBP AUD. Then what did the market do? Went and went and went and went, and it reached our full it did not reach our full take profit, but let's see. So let's remove all this. I don't expect you to do that. That is too much, and unless you are being greedy, and you don't have to be greedy. So let's see, how much did we win? So that was a beautiful, if you took only the first one, the first trade, you know, the first time we saw a confirmation here, there. If you took the first time we saw a rejection, and then we saw this strong push to upwards. If you entered there, then you could have won nicely. Let's see how many, what is the risk? Yeah, beautiful. So you can see that you entered here, or even here. In fact, I think these are the better place to enter there. Okay, put your stop loss down here, then target this push up here. So let's see, and then that was a beautiful 3.5. So you are risking 1% to make 3%, or 3.5%. So if you risk $100, you make $350, yeah, or you risk $500 and make 1,000, maybe 550 or something of the sort. So you can see these are very, very beautiful wins. So all those other buys that I was showing you, they're just opportunities that you could have used to scale in, and yeah, just use those opportunities to scale in. But if you're not into scaling in, and maybe if you don't want to be too greedy, you want to grow steadily, you could have just entered that here. The moment we saw this, the market broke the this trend line, then came to retest, then we saw a very push upward, then you could have entered that, and then you could see, you could have got this beautiful move up to here, and you could have made an increase of, you could have risked 1% and made 3%. So the move that I was talking about is this. So you see the market is coming down. The market goes up from here, comes, breaks the trend line, then comes back to retest, then you can enter, then it goes up. That is the move I was talking about. And you can see we are on a daily time frame. I like higher time frames. Sometimes I do smaller time frames, but I like higher time frames. So you can see that though our target was somewhere around up here, we did not reach our target, but I mean the market is still playing on, so perhaps the market is going to reach up to here. Maybe we are going to do another video. So what it means is that perhaps it might come all the way to top here, but yeah, this is a beautiful 1:3.5 risk to reward ratio. And you see another thing, pay yourself. Sometimes take some profit. Don't also wait too long, because you may never know. The market does not owe you anything. It can come all the way here, then before you realize it will go down, then come and stop you out. So take some profits, pay yourself, and move on. So thank you guys for watching and for being with us all through. I believe that you've gotten some lessons from it, and something that you can apply in your trading journey. So we're going to be sharing some very nice educational content that are going to help you. And also, if you want to some free signals, we have a Telegram group that is for free. Check out the link below. You can join, and I believe that this is going to really help you. So look forward. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the like button. Support the channel, and yeah, let's win together. And look out for more videos coming up. More educational contents are coming up. So you can follow us on Instagram also, EagleEyeFX. You can follow us on Twitter, EagleEyeFX, and remember to hit the subscribe button and support our work. Thank you so much, and God bless you.